Alright, there ain't nobody out here, so I'm gonna try my other boats now. Seems like everybody went home. Alright, let's try our Walmart one first. The RC Hyper wakeboard boat. And again, I don't know why they call it Hyper. There ain't nothing hyper about this. Alright, we're all charged up. Alright. Let's take a walk down. It seems like everybody left. I think this boat's got a maximum operating distance of like 80 feet. I paid like 30 bucks, I think, for it. And if we lose it, we lose it. Trying to do this. It's top speed. It's horrible. It's alright. It's got reverse though. Let's see how far out we could go. Yeah, if I lose it, I lose it. Like I said, I think it's got an operating thing at 80 feet. It's small. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to go out all the way. I don't feel like going in after this boat. Slow. Top speed, baby. That's it. Slow, very slow. But if you got a kid that's like 8 years old, something like that, they'll get a kick out of it. That's max speed. Go over near those ducks. Ah. Alright. We got the point. I could play with this in my bathtub. And like I said, it's got reverse. I doubt very much I could even make this out to the to that water fountain. What? What'd you say? She's worried about me making it go all the way out. Alright, we'll bring this in. All right. Ah.